I got this, and so much more. Let's just say the jar is unreal. It is also breaking, so there's a little danger in this jar. I think it's going to explode. So, without further ado, it is pretty. I don't think I'd wear it. I'm dead. Yes, I'd wear. For anybody who doesn't know, if you hadn't seen my other part, even some of the stuff I do want, if you're interested, it's going to be on my Depop. So, go check it out. This beautiful cross necklace. Yes, it is cute. I would wear it. I don't know what this is. No. I'm pretty sure there's matches to everything in here. Yes, this two-toned cutesy earring. Yes, I would wear it. This cutesy earring. It also look kind of cute with something like this. Yeah, I would wear it. The store's huge, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna figure this out. Once I untangle that, it is. Oh, there it goes. Guys, that is so cool. Yeah. Yeah. This cutesy heart with red bedazzles on it. No, I would not wear. I'm pretty sure these earrings are my spirit animal. All different colors. Oh wait, these are two different earrings. Jeez. These. Yes, I would wear. These. Yes. Yes, I would wear. These cutesy silver hoops. They're pretty. I don't know if I'd wear them. Oh, the other one to this. These black hoops. I don't see a lot of black hoops. These are sick. Yes, I would wear. Oh, the match to the two-toned earrings. This beautiful two-toned bracelet, which has a clasp. Yes, I would wear. This two-toned gorgeous. Yes, I would wear. What is this? What is it? Holy crap. This is a statement piece. It's pretty incredible, to be fair. I don't think I would wear it, but look at it. It's beautiful. Ooh, I see rose gold. I don't wear rose gold, but I would if it was a very special piece. This, yes, I would wear. She is very special. Another rose gold. I think this matches that. Yes, if these are matching, I'm gonna pop this jar open because my hand's gonna break it. This, so cute. Did you guys hear that? My corset's gonna snap open. I literally just put it on before I filmed this video. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, let's look at this. This girl. She's really pretty. You see all the pretty details. Yes, I would wear for sure. For sure. This is knotted around this too. Not nutted, knotted. I'm sure everything was untangled beforehand, but it's unavoidable. Oh shoot, it looks like this gem is missing, but it's probably in here somewhere, so I'll try to fix it. That is really cool. I would not wear it, but it is very cool. These pearls I dropped. I don't really wear pearls, but these are really pretty. I don't know, something about them. Like, yeah. I'm just feeling it today. These pearls are pretty. It's kind of like the difference between pearls like this. Like, I wouldn't wear pearls like this. You see the difference? Yeah, like I would not wear this, but it is really pretty. And oh, magnet. Pretty cool. My hand looks ginormous, kind of stark. Maybe my hand looks so big. Let's see this big statement. This is vintage, guys. Like the way that this unclasps, like you press on it right here, it goes into the necklace. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, that's so cool. This is gorgeous. I would wear it for a specific look. Probably not gonna keep it though, if anybody's interested. Earrings. These, they're pretty. They're not like sparkled. They're not like dazzled or anything, which I like. Let's be honest, I think a lot of things would go with this outfit, but in an everyday outfit, I don't think I'd wear those. This cool piece. Yes, I'd wear it. Ooh, the reflection of these jewelry in the sun. Haha. This is a little tingle. I'm not going to untingle it right now. I would not wear that. This cutesy gold bracelet. Yes, I would wear. Cool. This statement piece. Wow. It's like it's like black, gold, with diamonds on it. Wow, this is really cool. A lot of gorgeous statement pieces. You know, this is kind of piratey, so yes. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little bit. It's blinding me. Ooh. Yeah. It's a little chunky for me, honestly. I don't think I would wear it. I don't know how. I don't know how to clasp this. No, I don't know how to clasp this. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do a dumperoo for the last one. So go to the next part. Bye.